Answers to your questions. After my previous videos, lots of questions keeps rising, and now here are your answers. The Facebook page you want to monetize must be at least 31 days old. You must upload at least 5 to 6 active public videos in total. You can monetize 1-minute videos upwards. Create engaging contents. Use organic advert rather than Facebook ads boast to get 10,000 followers, and the page must have at least 600,000 minutes views in the last 60 days including live videos. That is, do not promote your page content using Facebook ads because ads view is not counted. Live video views counts including previous live videos. Focus on both creating engaging contents, getting 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes views altogether. There's no limit the number of videos you can post. In our next video we will discuss how we can effectively get the 10,000 Facebook page followers and 600,000 minutes views without Facebook ads. Subscribe, like and share this video for more updates. What we do here is teach you ways to make money with ease, provide solutions to your health challenges, and skills acquisitions tutorials. You can ask questions on any health issues or financial challenges through the comment section, email, or through the social media links. We'll make research, if necessary and possible may create experiments. We'll respond to you with answers in due time. Companies can send their products for reviews, adverts, and promotions. We specialize on human capital development and growth. New Dawn. Providing solutions to the worries of yesterday. Subscribe, like and share this video for more updates.